Okay, sit down. Guys, who is absent? I guess nobody is absent, yes?
Yes.
Good. All are present. Now, let's move on to today's topic. Today is the 6th of December and our topic is called Types of Films. First, let's cheer up. I want you to listen to the song and choose an emotion. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Who wants to start? Oh,
I'm surprised.
good.
I'm cool.
I am funny. You're funny. I'm happy. You're happy. You're fine today. I'm excited. Olivia,
I'm annoyed.
you were in love. Cameron,
I'm funny. I'm
happy and Sandra, you're funny. Very good. Okay, that was it. Now, guys, I want you to listen to music, watch the videos, and guess what kind of films these songs might be from. Okay?
Okay.
Now the first is Olivia. It is Shrek. This is Shrek. And what can you say about the type of the film? Yes, this is comedy. This is comedy. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is hard. This is hard. Okay, this is horror and scare. Next one.
Star Wars.
Star Wars. And the type is
Action.
action.
This is Moana.
This is morning and the type.
Tragedy.
Okay, it's tragic. What else? What can you say? Yes, fantasy. It's fantasy. Oh,
Moana is cartoons.
Mona is a cartoon. Very good.
Richard.
I'm going to give you separate film reels. On each of these film reels, there's one or several films. But these films have one thing in common. It's a genre. You should look at these films and guess the genre. Okay?
Okay.
You have 10 minutes to complete this task. Okay.
In my opinion, the genre of the films is historical because these films are based on real life events.
Good. Next person. Okay, Shigeru and Sasha.
This is films and Indiana Jones, Pirates Caribbean, Mad Max. I think the genre of these films is adventure because people move a lot of Utopia, so Shrek, One Inside Out.
The genre of this film is cartoons because these films and characters are drawn, painted, and animated.
Very good. Thank you, guys. Guys, I give all of you 3 points. 3 points to all of these groups. Oh, all of these pairs. Next, let's move on to our group work. You already formed groups, yes?
Yes.
Now I want you to work in these groups. I'm going to give you comics about one film and an infographic in a bank of words. You should look at these comics, use the word bank, and write on infographics. Here we have 3 questions. You have 10 minutes. Don't forget. Okay, time's up. Who's ready? Oh, the third group, start.
This move is about transformer.
story. This movie is very interesting and has different stories.
Very good. The second group. Okay, start.
This is film 1. This genre, this is action, boy, cartoon.
Okay.
I like film because it's entertaining and adventurous. This is a film. This is a film Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Okay.
This is film genre fantastic.
Okay. Fantasy. Mm-hmm.
This is film about Harry Potter. 11 years old boy. He is a wizard and he uses magic. There is Nicholas Flamel who he immortality.
Who has immortality?
I like film is because it's dangerous and emotional.
Very.
I
This group is.
I give this 1 point.
You guys, you should assess them.
I give them 4 points.
4 points. And you guys?
I give them 4 points.
If something has magical animals, okay?
This one.
It is more but genre. What is the genre?
Cartoons.
It might be cartoons, but
Fantasy.
it's fantasy. Very good. The next. If something is scary, what is it? Something is scary. Did you get? You already answered.
Horror.
It's horror. Beautiful. Next question. If something is drawn, what genre is this? You did you get?
It's cartoon.
If something has a lot of fights, kind of hard. Do you know the answer? A lot of fights. Yes, Timurlan.
Action.
It's action.
My best film is Harry Potter.
Okay, the Harry Potter is the best film. Oh, this question does not seem to leave us. Okay, again.
My best film is Maleficent.
Maleficent. Now, I want you to assess my lesson. What is your emotion? What have you learned from this lesson? The first is joy. You're happy because you learned everything. The second is fear. You're afraid. You're afraid you might forget something. And the third is sadness because you understood nothing. At this very delightful note, I might finish my lesson. God, thank you very much for your attention and for your participation. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Goodbye.